Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the time and date on a Casio G-shock BG 3189 and 3252. Press the lower left button few times until you see the day of the week on the screen. Press and hold the upper left button for few seconds until the seconds start blinking on the screen. Press the lower right button one time to reset the seconds to 0 and then press on the lower left button. Use the lower right button to turn DST on or off depending on your time zone. Press the mode button one time and now use the two buttons on the right side to find your current city or time zone. Press the mode button and now you can use the two buttons on the right side to change the hour. Press mode and now again use the two buttons on the right side to change the minutes of your local time. Press mode and now you can change the year. Press mode and now you can change the month, and then press mode and then you can change the date. The day of the week will be automatically calculated by the watch. Press the upper left button to exit the settings. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.